Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola. Budia. Tomba bongo. Mufinga mfundi. Banantaku. Sungulukata kumambende. Oni samucha. Otubele. Otukala. Ambe zungulukata kumambende. Oni samucha. Otubele. Otukala. Wajabari. Maelango kele. Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba. Feba. Watombolaka. Feba. Wafinga mfundi. Feba. Wafinga mfundi. Bimba. Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe. Feba. Na tombolaka. Feba. Wafinga mfundi. Feba. Wafinga mfundi. Bimba. Tomolotonda. Kundiri mwamba o. Yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokela yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokele sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinyaja nzungma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba teba na tombolaka teba wafinga mfundi Feba. Wafinga mfundi. Bimba. Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe. Feba. Na tombolaka. Feba. Wafinga mfundi. Feba. Wafinga mfundi. Bimba. Tomolotonda. Kundiri mwamba o. Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinya jaya tomba mbongo yaye kiadi yaye atak deba ula rekete yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokela yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokele sadila ntangu atiri ntweni yange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nzungma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao na yembri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba toba Feba. Na tombolaka Feba. Wafinga mfundi Feba. Wafinga mfundi Bimba. Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe Feba. Na tombolaka Feba. Wafinga mfundi Feba. Wafinga mfundi Bimba. Songi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi la njila 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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Gana bandu butabachikana kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta Kabu njisi sansa bala Choma mbukwamba kiri eka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako mwana ngele kwa mye sima unini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo bala baku bobo mwana ngele kwa mye sima unini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo Malabaku bobo, Munsongi, Songi lanchila, 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 Munsongi, Songi lanchila. Chimao chinjenda, Chimao chinazakala kulongo. Nkumbu shitani ya itatuma nsangu munzo kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando chimale kwanye simamwini mwika Alabaku bobo, alabaku bobo, alabaku bobo. Mwana ngele kwa mye, sima unwini meka. Alabaku bobo, alabaku bobo, alabaku bobo. Najika. Naebesa Naluika Kabuta Bako Kanilumbu Nsalambanza Munsongi Songi lanchila 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 Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unweni menga Malabaku bobo, Malabaku bobo, Malabaku bobo. Mwana ngele kwa mye, sima unwini menga. Malabaku bobo, Malabaku bobo, Malabaku bobo. Mwana ngele kwa mye, sima unwini menga. Malabaku bobo, Malabaku bobo, Malabaku bobo. Ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba kusangi nje chamusu ni bala bangu ni mama lemba na bala malombo ni kwetombe na bala bimpompo lo mama lemba mboko gana banda gana geti ko cha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba nti walla wamena Nitomba mama lemba nje nina lamba mwana yake chamuzuna ni chamuzuna zoza yumanje nina lamba mwana yake mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana walla mama lembe mama ngana nzila tolokolo yako mama lembe wala Diambu kayele menena nge kusomamba Diambu dikaye menena nge kusomamba Ni diambu jantoto Kubungu nteto wega nge kusomamba We na chototo na lubutu Diambu ni dio kaye menena nge kusomamba Mamba menana dzunu Dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu Bunwa mamba Dzunu chantima chikotele Nkelo wo uluta uwa Utakelo muka Chena teko cha malemba che kumbamu Teko china che bonso kendo Mukendo ebuta zolota Ni mwando fiafieti Mboko nkelo wa malemba C'est une petite source Qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes Talati nkelo wa malemba Iwo ugana kadzunu kubishimba mu Eka bo betu bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla Waye menena gande kosonkelo Niwa wana Mbutu jina Ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu Momega na chibelo china Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala Salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala Salambu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala Salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala Salambu aja L'arbre sacré de Tata Malanda Makurwa Koma qu'il donnait aux sorciers n'a pas pu finir le kundu Mumpamba wondele bantu Est-ce que beto kunduru tatu kwa misa Yachi ka kundu wako Bisalu Doneno sari Taboke sa Yachi sala kwa tutatombe Ngachi tanunga Ambe salu chitukule Mama bonisa kwani mama Sala sala Salambu aja Sengo mulo sampa shena watu Sala sala Salambu aja Mama bonisa kwani mama Sala sala Salambu aja Sengo mulo sampa shena watu Sala sala Salambu aja Nti wankasa walemba kana mumanisa kundu mpandu kampandu shiyokele akundu ninchi ni muntu okwenda akundu mayela mama bote ambaka mpandu nambe mpandu ni muntu owe misigi mora masamba Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala Salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala Salambu aja Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala Salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala Salambu aja Ritata Ekwa Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Pota Sabulungelangela Pota Sabulungelangela Pota Sabulungelangela Mama bale Ewa bina, bongo chi. Combo jata ngulu jata, combo jata ngulu jata, combo jata ngulu jata, combo jata ngulu jata. Kulukutu kutu, mama nsunga kudia. Kulumvwe, mama nsunga kudia. Kulukutu kutu, mama nsunga kudia. Kulumvwe, mama nsunga kudia. Kulukutu kutu,
to the park or just outside in the driveway?
Kulumvwe, mama nsunga kudia. Kutubele beto, kubatubula bantu meso, oh. Kutubele beto, kubatubula bantu meso, oh. Kutubele beto, kubatubula bantu meso, oh. Gengele ya mabwidia, gengele ya mabwidia, bakala wa ijiri, gengele ya mabwidia, bakala wa ijiri, gengele ya mabwidia, elukolele mwatu, gengele lukolele kweto ya, elukolele mwatu, gengele lukolele kweto ya, gengele ya mabwidia, gengele ya mabwidia. Genge ya mabwiria, genge ya mabwiria, ntangu ifweni, bakala wishiri, ntangu ifweni, ngoma jibieta ne kunagata, beto bansoni toka munsai, wa bakala wishiri, kange viri toko chitoko landie, amenge viri toko pa munsai. Gengele ya mabwiria, gengele ya mabwiria, gengele ya mabwiria, bakala wa ijiri, gengele ya mabwiria, bakala wa ijiri, gengele ya mabwiria, elukolele mwatu, gengele lukolele kweto ya, kinini mpangala, kulelele mpangala, tata Michelle wena ntandu, tata Michelle wijiri, ntangu ifweni, yandi wena ntandu, abuame nchika neti, abuame na bile kwa bishiri nandi, na mbongo kayesala, betumansoni toka munsai, bakento kange nunele, chinauna chine, eka bakento kwa armi, yambazale chineno.
Gambo did that one.
Gambo did that on pound.
Oh, sorry. Let me just say hello to the audience. Hello. This is Kikongo class. If you're watching, we thank you. Don't move. We're going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, of course, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Thank you. We are expecting that brothers from Los Angeles. Okay. It's 15:15. Okay. Let us make it start then. I'm just going to test you. You know if you better than
Tunama Vimpi. Yeah, no.
Okay. Io devo tornare a rispondere. Without looking at your notes, yeah, please. I just want to make sure you get this. You are comfortable with this. How should I put it? So standard, let's call it standard personal pronoun in Gikongo.
So it's standard is I, U, A, Du, Lu, Ba.
Bravo, yeah, you done it. Well done, right? I, you, it is I. I, you, we say E in Gikongo. Let's say in Gikongo. E,
E.
first person. E mean I in English. You as you, by coincidence. A, she or he. Remember, A bracket K, yes? It depends.
Yeah, because it could be, yeah.
You could say Kakwizako, mean third person. And the plural is very simple. Tuluba, as usual. Well done. Now, we're going to pronoun, 20 pronouns. Yes.
Tony pronoun,
Mono.
Mono, Ngeye, Andi.
Yandi, be careful,
Yeah,
Yandi.
I'm saying Yandi, Yeno, Yeto, Yao.
Yeto, Yeno, Yao, yes. Yeto or Beto, something. Yeno, Beno. Wow, well done, yes. I mean, this is the standard. Let's say standard, but there's no Gikongo standard. See, people, each one speaks according to their own way. I mean, their own, how do you call it? Their own region. Yes. Oh, thank you very much, Tatale. Questions? Any questions?
No, I don't have any. No, not on those. I mean, we've covered that pretty well, so no, I don't have any questions.
Okay, we are going present tense and present continuous. Yes.
Okay.
Present tense and present continuous. I just want to make sure you can use all of them, the pronoun from singular to plural. So, zinga means in English
to live.
To live, yeah, well done. Okay, kwenda
is to go.
Yes. Okay, present tense now. You translate to me, translate for me into Kikongo. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo.
Okay. Kumbanza, Congo, ita kwenda.
Well done. Yes. Let me just bring sister. She's here. Hello, sister.
Hello, Kiambote.
Kiambote. Where's the brother?
Oh, he's coming. He's logging in right now.
Thank you. We're just going back to revision all the time. Doesn't matter. Just make sure we got it. Yes, I was asking Tata Allen. Personal pronoun Kikongo. Let's just make it easy to you. Plural, Nengwa Candice. Plural, personal pronoun. Plural. We have a formula. Remember a formula?
Are you asking me? I don't really understand the question.
The standard, let's say they call it the standard personal pronoun.
Do you mean plural. Like
Go for plural. Sorry.
Are you talking about tuta, luta, and bata?
Yeah, you're going extra mile. Tu luba, remember? Well done, yeah. Tu luba, tu we, yeah. Tu we, lu.
Okay, you. Right. Tu, lu, and ba.
Yes, plural. I just want to make sure to brothers here. Hello, Tata.
Hello. Kiambute.
You know my Vimpi. You're struggling. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just setting stuff up.
Don't worry, we can see you. You're here. Thank you for coming, brother.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yes, thank you, sister. You're fine. Your pronoun plural is tu for we, lu for ba. I'm sorry. Tu for we, lu for you many, ba or
Right.
be. I'm not talking Congo. Ba or be them. Are we okay on that day? Yes?
Okay.
Tata Adri,
Hmm.
we're going back to our usual our usual song, yeah, music song. We're going back to personal pronoun, but plural. Remember the formula? The formula. Plural.
Yes. What do I start from the singular or do I go from the plural?
No, you want to make it easy for you. Go to plural. Plural is easy. What are
Um,
they?
two,
We.
two, Lu, and Bay, or is it
Yeah,
Ba?
well done. Yeah, no, correct. Well done, bravo. Ba or be depend on variant or the context of the sentence. Are you fine on that? Any question on that?
No, I don't.
Yeah. Now, going back to the same topic, I mean, personal pronoun. Now, I'm asking you to tell me the singular. Plural is easy. You go for tu, lu, ba, tu, we, lu, you, many, ba, or be, them, they. But singular, I just want you to get it. Tata, I would replace singular.
Is it
I. I'm
I
talking
or
English. I'm talking English. You say Tiki Congo. I'm talking in English.
I in Gina?
Yeah, correct, but don't go. Make it easy. So don't go there.
Oh, okay. I, you, and he, she, it is, I guess.
No, it is by coincidence I in Congo. I mean E. We will say E. Yeah? I E.
E,
You
and then
many.
you
You singular. We say you as a union. Him, he. It's
is
A.
A or K?
Good question. Well, good student. A bracket K. You're right.
I need to write that down.
Okay. I just want to make
A
it.
as an E, right?
Sorry.
A would be the E sound. Well,
Yes.
the letter E.
E or she. Yes. But make sure you remember A bracket K is very yes. We go
Okay.
to E. I'm talking Kikongo in Congo. E. U. Second person. A bracket K. Oh, remember first singular. A bracket K. Yeah. A bracket K. So okay, sister, kind of.
I'm just gonna write that down right quick.
I can write that down, but I didn't have anything like that in my notes, so
I know you got it on your notes. I just want you to
I do
make
not
sure
have it in my notes.
you have it another version, different version.
I don't think so. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. The A bracket K, that's totally foreign to me.
Okay.
But you can just move on. I'll just catch up.
No. Wait, let me just put it right there. We are on the same boat, yeah. Don't hurry.
But question
here you are.
when you say
yes.
A, that
No.
A is actually the letter E, right? So
Can
the
you see
E would be the A
left?
sound.
Sorry, brother. Can you see my screen on the bottom left? Yes.
Yeah, IUKA.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is the I for I in English. U is for you, singular. K bracket K A. A bracket K is he, she. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sister Candice. Yes, sister.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I guess I have that on one of my papers, the one that
It
says.
is on your screen, on the bottom left on the screen. Can you see your screen?
Well, I see that on the screen, but for me, I have to be able to connect it with something. I can't just see that on my screen. So I'm still not getting why the K is there, but okay.
Very smart lady, I got you. And I know why you're saying that. Yeah, you don't want to memorize it. You want to understand. Okay, that's good. Yes. I-U-A. Yes, it is I for I am, U for you are, K for H is. Yes, so on. Okay, good. Okay, now I think, sister, you'll be okay on this one because you wanted to connect it with something. Let me just ask you a question. I live in Mbanza, Congo. Sister Candace, I live in Mbanza, Congo. You have your singular on your screen, yeah? Person singular. I live in Mbanza, Congo. Because it's the location, remember, whenever it's a location, we start with KU, Ku, which is contraction for Kuna. The town is Banza Congo of object. So
Kubanza Congo.
Yes.
I can't put that sentence together. I honestly don't remember.
Now, zinga is a verb. Zinga comes, your verb is the last thing. You go object, your personal pronoun, the verb. Zinga is the verb, to live. So go for ku first, kuna, ku.
Is it Kuzinga Banza Congo? Banza
Well
Congo?
done. Yeah, the other one, yeah. Kumbanza Congo is Zinganga. Yes.
Kubanza Congo Uzi Zinganga?
Yeah, U will be him, you. For my first person is Zinganga. Yes. Well done. That's out, yes. I live in New York. Remember,
Oh man.
no question. Sorry. Whenever we talk about location, it's always kuna, kuna. Then your object is a location's name. Then your first personal pronoun. The last thing is your verb. The first thing is object. Second, your pronoun. The last one is a verb. Except ku comes whenever it is a location. Yes.
Okay, so Ku, New York, Nzinga.
Wow, well done, bravo. Nzinganga. Remember?
Nzingaga.
Yes. You got your verb. You don't move your verb as it is, but you just add nga. Nzinganga.
Nzinganga.
Yeah. This is Kikanga. Okay. Some verb now. I'm going to New York. Remember, first thing you KU, yeah, your destination. I'm going to New York. You still using E, but remember the keyword continuous is TA. You add TA on your personal pronoun. Try it, brother. Pangi.
Talking to me?
Yes, please, sir. Ku. You go to New York, yes.
Ku, New York.
Then your pronoun, yeah.
Ku, New York. I know I don't say in Zingaga again.
You going now? You going? We talk about Kwenda. We talk about Kwenda going. Kwenda is the verb, yes.
Okay, so
Ku,
New York.
E, but add something.
Ita.
Well, bravo. Because continuous.
Ita.
Kwenda. Yeah.
Kwenda.
Yeah. On continuous, you leave with the verb as it is. You just touch your pronoun. Ita. E, you add ta, ta. Present tense, you touch on a verb. Verb, you add nga. Are we okay with that? Yes?
Yeah, I don't completely have it down, but I'll keep studying it.
Yeah, you're doing well. Yeah, it's not easy. Tatan, any questions?
No questions.
Yeah. Kumbanza kungo itakwenda. Kumbanza kungo utakwenda. You. Kumbanza. Look at your screen. Look at your screen, please. Your bottom left. Kumbanza kungo itakwenda. I'm using E on the bottom left. Kumbanza kungo utakwenda. You single. Him, her. Kumbanza kungo. Now I'm using K. Kata kwenda. Kate kwenda. Yes?
Kata kwenda.
Question?
No, I mean, looking at it, it seems it's easy, but
okay, we are going to Kumbanza Congo. Kumbanza Congo tuta kwenda. Kumbanza Congo luta kwenda. Just remember, continuous. You touch on your personal pronoun. Please take notes here, please. That name system. On continuous, you touch on your pronoun by adding ta, yeah? Ita. Present tense, you touch on your verb, you add nga at the end. Is it there?
Yeah, I do have that in my notes.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Just continuous, you touch on your pronoun, personal pronoun. Present tense, you just add nga at the end. Okay, two-tone delay. Don't worry, we'll be back on that. As we said last time, I never learned to Quendi. I'll just make sure we know it. We can teach it. Okay, can we move? Yes?
I didn't hear the question.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, we can move. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, we have Tata Makonde there. As I said last time, we are Congo people. We always say thank you. This is us. We always honor our ancestors. This is African. African. Are we there? Yes. This is African. Yeah. Okay. We always say thank you to Tata Makonde and Professor Hazel Carter. They're gone. They're gone, but they're here because we have the work. No? Well, quickly, for someone new watching, here we have Professor Hazel Carter, very smart lady she was. Award from African Teachers Association. This is the Professor Hazel Carter writing. This course is for you to speak Kikongo, not to learn about the Congo. Remember, English lady, the English are pragmatic, you know? Don't waste time, yeah? Just do it. We're just learning to talk. Other stuff later on. But can you say something? Yeah, if you're able, okay. Okay, we're going ahead. We're moving on, yeah. Okay, standard pronoun, we are comfortable with that. Then we have what we call tonic pronouns, yeah? Mono, I as well, yes? Yeah, you, yandi, yeto, yeah, no, yo, yes?
Yeah.
Mono is me, me. M-E, yeah? Yeah, you, yes. Okay. Nufuete, take note, this is good Kikongo. Take note, please. Nufuete, Kutulanda. Remember, let me just try to highlight it here. Something's not going wrong for right here. Ah, okay. Computer's funny. Anyway, remember two. As soon as you see two, always think about second person, yes?
Yes, the two.
Sorry?
Yeah, no, I'm looking at it and I'm like, yes, the two.
Yeah, two means, two is we. Although, but this is how you write Kikongo anyway. We have a KU, which is just prefix, but we have TU, your personal pronoun two. could be Lu, Yumeni, or El Ba. Yes. Tatale first line, no fuete kutu. I mean, no fuete means you or you must, you have to. Tatale first line.
No fuete kutulanda.
Thank you. Tatari.
Diambute Tusinga Ku Nu Laanda.
Well done, yeah. Remember always, well done, the long vowel. Tusinga Kunulanda. Well done.
Landa.
Yes. My okay, anyway. I can't move my point properly, but anyway. Remember Singa, TU is there, we, yeah? Singa is just like a wheel, yeah? The wheel in English. Singa is auxiliary. Are we okay on that, yes?
Yes.
Singa. No, don't worry too much about Singa. Singa just to help us, yeah? To support the verb. The verb is here. Landa, to follow.
Landa.
Landa. To Singa Landa. We are going to follow. We will be following. Yes, we will follow. Yes. Any question on this one? Clear?
Yep.
Moving to the next one. Sister, please, first line, and second line.
Nufuete Kutu Kiila.
Bravo, yes.
Diambote Tusinga Kunu Kilila.
Singa Kunu Kila, yes. Remember, Nu here, either Lu or you, something Nu. You many, yes? You many. Kila, it is the verb here is Kila. Kila it means to visit.
Okay.
The verb, I mean, it is Kikongo. It's not me how you write Kikongo. Here we have two words. KU space, TU space. Then you have your verb. Your verb is Kila. To visit. That's our first line, please. Then sister at second.
Nufuete Kutu Yizila.
Yizila, yes.
Yizila.
Thank you.
Diambote Tusinga Kunu Yizila.
Yeah, well done, yeah. Always remember Nufuete something. Nufuete. We have ba or be something. Nu, lu something. Well done. Tata Audrey, Tata Ale. First line, Tata Audrey, please. Second line, Tata Ale.
Kuwete.
Nufuete.
Oh, I'm sorry. Nufuete Kutulonga.
Well done. I like your pronunciation. Yeah, long vowel. Kutulonga. Yes, Tata Ale.
Diambote Tusinga Kunulonga.
Yes, Kunulonga. Remember again. Nu, or lu something. Kunulonga. Just you.
So can you say ku instead of ku nu longer, can you say ku lu longer?
Yes, something, yeah, correct, yeah. Kunulonga, yeah.
Okay, so it depends on what area.
Yeah, this is variant, yes.
Yeah,
this variant from this is the variant of Congo King, yes.
Yeah.
This is from Banza Congo, but it's a mixture anyway. Okay. Nufuete Kutuyindula. Tata, first line, second line, sister, please.
Nufuete Kutuyindula.
Again, Tata, remember long vowel, please. Nufuete.
Nufuete Kutuyindula.
Thank you.
Diambote Tusinga Kunu Yindula.
Yeah, bravo. Remember Gikongo. It's not me, my disciple Kikongo. We have a ku space, to space, Yindula is the verb. we have it in one word, man. Can you see that, sister? Eh? That's a Kikongo. I mean, the linguists, they say that how we should write Kikongo because it does flow. You don't say, you don't pause. You don't say ku, tu, Yindula. When you talk, you say ku, tu, Yindula. See?
Yeah, you put it all together.
Yeah, it comes like a word, one word, but I mean, easy to the native, yeah, but not easy for everybody. Our verb is samunuina, to tell, to announce. Tata Allen first and second Tata Odi.
Nous fouette kutu samu
Samunuina.
Kutu samunuina.
Yeah, someone to tell Harold to. Understand? Second line, Tata, please.
Diambute to Singa Kunu Samunwina.
Sorry, Kutu Samunwina. Wait done. Yeah, sister, first line, please. Second line, secretary.
Okay. Nufuete kutuwana.
Diambote to Singa Kunuwana.
Well then, remember verb here is the wana. To meet. Second line, yeah? Okay. Diambote Singa Kunuwana.
Kutuwana.
Yeah. To meet, well, they say that means literally to find, yes. Translation, we lose a lot, you know. Translation hard. No fouete kutuvibila, kutuvubila. Tata Allen, Tata every second line, please.
Nous fouette kutuvubila.
Diambute to Singa Kunu Vubila.
Yeah, Singa Kunuvubila. No fouete kutuvubila. Yes. Well done. Talking Kikongo, yeah? This is Kikongo. Okay, we're done for today, yes? Thank you very much for coming. I know it's Sunday, but we need to honor our ancestors, yeah?
Yes.
Be careful. Sorry. This is a person. I'm a Christian. Don't worship them. We honor them, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Get this right. They're two different things, yeah? Because we Christian, African Christian, when we saying something about the ancestors, it always misunderstood, yes? We don't worship them, but we honor them, yeah? All the time. Yeah.
Right.
We have to be here because of them, yeah?
Yeah.
If you going to the Bible, you read the Bible, honor your parents, yeah?
Yes.
Parents means everybody, granny, ancestor, yes. Tutondele, thank you very much for time. Any questions?
No, not here.
Okay,
No.
have a good week. Tutondele, see you when the Gambo next Sunday. When the Gambo.
Musala Kembut.
Sala Kembute. Tutandale.
Thank you.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vangabo kongo jafwa Keno luvo vangabo kongo jafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mjikansi kongo jatungwa Keno luvo vangabo kongo jafwa Keno luvo vangabo kongo jafwa Bizatala